Hello, friends. I was laying on a bedstead where I am sitting right now. It is called bedstead, and this is morning time, and you can see mosquito net is installed to prevent mosquitoes because you know that mosquitoes attacks during night time, and we have to save ourselves. And this is old fashioned mosquito net with the four poles you can see. These are the four poles. With the help of these four poles, it is installed. And this bedstead, you can say it also cot. And this bedstead has four cots. These are the cots. And if I show you, this is the pillow for having rest, and this is bed sheet, you can say this is the bed sheet. And I think that we should speak on different topics to make our vocabulary more powerful in English language. And when we will discuss, this is Mike laying, and I'm talking. I think that perhaps my voice is not coming to you properly, so it was hanging, and just I have kept it in my hand. So, by saying this, we should speak on different topics to improve our English language. Right now, today I was laying on this bedstead, and I thought that I should make a video about this so that new vocabulary would come, and you would know the new sentences, new words such as the bedstead. It is also called the cot. It is not bed. This is old-fashioned bedstead. It has four cots, and this old-fashioned mosquito net is installed with the help of these four poles. You can see, and when we talk on different topics on daily basis, it is much necessary to enhance our English vocabulary. And I'm hopeful that you find today's video useful. Give your valuable feedback below in comment box. And right now, allow me from this video. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, bye bye, and please subscribe. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.